with a vampire at the Green Lounge Country Club last night after a brief fight. The superhero saved the victim from being hurt when he came in time before the beast struck the victim. It can be recalled that superhero also saved another young girl from a man who ran amok at the municipal hall earlier this week. Local officials of the city and the city's police authorities expressed their thanks and appreciation for what Captain Barbell has done. From the people of Metro Manila, Captain Barbell, we love you.
Nang, ano yan?
Still on Captain Barbell. Captain Barbell has been making waves not only here but also in other
Morning,
countries.
Rose.
There's a lot of confusion going on regarding Captain Barbell's real identity. Nobody knows where he came from or where he gets his superpower.
I love you too, Captain Barbell.
The only thing we know is that he's here to help anyone.
Paano ka naman may love dyan eh? Hindi mo naman kilala yan.
Foreign reporters have already
Ingit ka lang, cute siya.
to get first-hand information about Captain Barbell.
Gwapo ba yan?
Also received reports that
Itisui lang yan eh.
You're only naiinggit dahil hindi ka lang payatot, duwag ka
United
pa.
Nations officials expressed their desire to meet
I
Captain
wish
Barbell
one
to
day,
discuss,
kahit
about
one
the
day
ongoing
lang,
war between Iran and
na-date
Iraq.
niya ako.
They believe that he can give assistance to the
Buti kung
situation.
patulang ka niyan.
It seems
Go
that
away.
many people now believe that Captain Barbell is the only answer to their
Wow,
problems, both
ang
internal and
cute! Rose, when we flew, muscles!
third world countries for the assistance of our superhero. More news after this.
Police authorities said they believe that the mass kidnapping reported in Metro Manila can be traced to a big syndicate which has been involved in cases like these even before. On behalf of the people, we would like to make an appeal to Captain Barbell, wherever he is, to help in the operations, to help save the children.
Ang kidnapping ay isinasagawa ng isang sindikato na napakalakas at napakalawak kung kaya't hindi madakip ng ating mga alagad ng batas. Captain Barbell, kung nasaan ka man, kung sino ka man, kailangan namin ng tulong.
Captain Barbell, the new hero. Captain Barbell has shown us what true bravery is.
Ano ba yan? Wala na ba silang ibang may palabas? Sino ba yung Captain Barbell na yan? Subukan niyang akong makalaban niya at makikita niya. Sino ba ang pinakamakapangyarihang nilalang sa mundong ito?
Wala nang lalakas pa sa inyo, dakilang gagamba. Ang pinakamakapangyarihan ay kayo!
Captain Barbell na yan. Mga kampon! Tayo ang maghahari sa daigdig na ito! Tandaan ninyo yang sinabi ko! Lilipulin natin ang isang katawan! Marami-rami na rin ang ating mga konti na lang. Tayo na. Sige, magsipagpahinga na kayo. Sinong nag-iwang bukas ito? Ilang beses ko bang nasabi sa inyo na walang dapat magpapabaya dito? Sino? Sino? Pag walang umamin sa inyo, kayong lahat ang parurusahan ko! Sino? Lumapit ka dito. Tumahimik kayo! Tahimik! Tandaan ninyo, ang sino man sa inyong may lakas na loob na kumalaban sa akin, ihanda ninyo ang inyong mga sarili.